Welcome back to NotAsLazy Quiz Channel. Today, we bring you 40 questions in the subject of law of attraction and manifestation. Challenge yourself with this quiz as you learn how to attract abundance in your life. Let's begin. What is the law of attraction? The belief that positive thoughts attract positive outcomes. Who is known as the father of the law of attraction? Napoleon Hill. According to the law of attraction, what should you focus on to attract wealth? Abundance. What is the role of the subconscious mind in attracting wealth? It influences actions based on thoughts. What is a vision board used for in the context of the law of attraction? Visualizing goals. Who wrote Think and Grow Rich? Napoleon Hill. According to the law of attraction, what is the first step in manifesting wealth? Believing it is possible. How does gratitude affect your ability to attract wealth? It raises vibration and attracts more abundance. What is the significance of affirmations in the law of attraction? They reinforce positive beliefs. Who said, whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right? Henry Ford. What should you eliminate to enhance the power of attraction? Negative thoughts. What is a common method to reprogram the subconscious mind for success? Positive self-talk. According to the law of attraction, what is essential to have when setting goals? Clarity. How does visualization help in attracting wealth? It creates a mental picture that guides actions. Who said, imagination is everything. It is the preview of life's coming attractions. Albert Einstein. What is the impact of faith in the law of attraction? It solidifies belief. How often should affirmations be repeated for effectiveness? daily. What does the law of attraction say about thinking and feeling as if you already have what you want? It attracts the desired outcomes. How does meditation help in the context of the law of attraction? Clears the mind and aligns thoughts with desires. How does faith relate to action in the law of attraction? Faith without action is ineffective. What is the effect of doubting your goals in the law of attraction? It weakens the attraction. How can one enhance the power of their affirmations? By saying them with emotion. What is the importance of taking inspired action in the law of attraction? It shows commitment to the goal. What role does belief play in the law of attraction? It shapes the reality you experience. What does it mean to align your energy with your desires in the law of attraction? Matching your vibration with your goals. How can one stay positive when manifesting wealth? Focus on solutions. What is the impact of visualization on the subconscious mind? It strengthens mental images. What does it mean to let go of attachment in the law of attraction? Release the need for control and trust the process. What does it mean to be in a state of allowing in the law of attraction? To be open to receiving. How can one develop unwavering faith in their goals? By reinforcing belief through positive affirmations. Who wrote The Power of Your Subconscious Mind? Joseph Murphy. What famous phrase did Winston Churchill say about never giving up? Never give in, never, never, never. Who wrote The Secret? Rhonda Byrne. How does the principle of acting as if help in manifesting wealth? It aligns your actions with your desires. What did Jim Rohn mean by, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with"? Surrounding yourself with positive influences shapes your success. What does the term vibration refer to in the law of attraction? Your emotional state. Who said, "The only limit to our realization of tomorrow is our doubts of today"? Franklin D. Roosevelt. According to the law of attraction, how should you deal with negative emotions? Acknowledge and release them. What is the benefit of keeping a gratitude journal? It focuses your mind on abundance. Who wrote "Awaken the Giant Within"? Tony Robbins. Well done! We've come to the end of the quiz, and for your hard work and effort, you get a thumbs up. Please comment your score in the comments section. See you in the next quiz.